Acne. Causes, myths, and 7 proven ways to clear your skin naturally. Struggling with acne? You're not alone. Over 85% of people experience acne at some point, and yet, most don't know what truly causes it or how to treat it the right way. In this video, we'll expose the real reasons behind acne, bust some common myths, and give you 7 scientifically backed ways to clear your skin naturally. What is acne, really? Acne is a skin condition that happens when pores get clogged with oil, dead skin, and bacteria. It often appears as blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, cysts, severe cases, common areas, face, chest, back, and shoulders. Crossmark common acne myths. Only teenagers get acne. Right pointing arrow falls. Adults can get hormonal acne too. Dirty skin causes pimples. Right pointing arrow not true. Overwashing can actually make it worse. Chocolate causes acne. Right pointing arrow number direct proof, but high sugar diets can worsen it. Warning main causes of acne: hormonal changes, puberty, periods, PCOS, excess oil, sebum, production bacteria, Cutibacterium acnes, stress and poor sleep, certain makeup or skin products, comedogenic, diet, especially sugar, dairy, and fast food. Checkmark 7 proven ways to clear your skin naturally. 1. Use gentle cleansers twice daily. Avoid harsh scrubs that irritate. 2. Apply tea tree oil, diluted. Natural antibacterial properties. Helps dry out pimples. 3. Try salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide products, OTC options that unclog pores and reduce inflammation. 4. Don't touch your face, fingers transfer oil and bacteria. Stop picking. 5. Eat skin-friendly foods, focus on leafy greens, berries, nuts, omega-3s, like fish. Cut back on sugary drinks, fast food, processed dairy. 6. Manage stress and sleep. Cortisol, stress hormone, can trigger breakouts. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 7. Stay consistent. No product works overnight. Give your skin 4 to 6 weeks to respond. Man health worker went to see a dermatologist. If acne is painful, cystic, or leaves scars, consult a doctor. You may need topical retinoids, oral antibiotics, or even Accutane in severe cases. Final thoughts. Takeaway: acne is common, but you don't have to live with it forever. By understanding your skin, avoiding harsh mistakes, and using the right treatment plan, clear skin is possible. Speech balloon. Comment below. What's the #1 acne tip that helped you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs skin